Yeah. Oops. You okay?
You got your first wipeout on film.
Yeah.
Well, good job.
Yeah.
You gonna do it again?
Yeah.
That'll girl. That's okay. I know you're gonna fall and you're gonna have a little bit of blood in there.
Alrighty, let's try again.
Now, you might not want to pedal as fast, okay? Just don't go as fast. Okay, here we go. Yeah, now you can start turning and going where you want to go. Good job. Pedal, pedal.
Push it. Good. Very good, Lily.